Hi there friends, this is Deepak Kshatriya and I welcome you all to another new session in Deepak's kitchen.
I'm going to show you a beautiful and a healthy kind of a recipe which is made out from French beans, that too in a dry sabzi method.
Without much of wait, let's see how this beautiful recipe is done.
And to make this beans dry sabzi, I have kept a cooker and added some water and allow this to boil. And look here, the water is boiling nice and good. In this I am going to add a teaspoon of salt and a little bit of a turmeric and a teaspoon of coconut oil. In this I will add some chopped potatoes, a half a cup of fresh peas. In this I am going to add nearly 150 grams of finely chopped French beans. Give this a nice mix and we'll close the lid and we'll cook it for a 1 whistle. And now you can see the pressure is gone completely. Now open the lid. Wow, these are cooked perfectly. Look, all the vegetables have been cooked perfectly. We'll strain this out. And now for the tadka, I have kept a pan to heat. In this I will add nearly 2 tablespoons of oil. And now look, the oil seems to be nice and hot. In this I will add some mustard seeds and a half a teaspoon of jeera and 1 teaspoon of gram dal, and give this a nice mix and allow them to cook completely. In this I will add 2 strands of curry leaves, a 4 to 5 green chili, and we'll add a few pinches of hing, that's asafoetida, Look, everything is nicely done. At this time I will add soaked moong dal. I have soaked this moong dal for about 1 hour. And also 1 medium sized onion finely chopped. And give this a nice mix, and you need to cook until the onions get translucent. And now you can see the onions have become nice and translucent. The moong dal has also been cooked. In this I will add nearly half a teaspoon of turmeric and the boiled veggies. And also we'll add a salt as per taste. And now mix them well. And now everything is perfect. In this I will add some chopped coriander and a half a cup of grated coconut. And give this a nice mix. Perfect. At this time you can check seasoning. If you want more salt, at this time you can add some of it. But in this case everything tastes perfect. Look, now my style of beans, dry sabzi is now ready. Look how colorful this looks. These are full of fiber and macronutrients, and it is a complete meal by itself.
I hope you guys like this video, and if you found this video useful, then share this video link with your family and friends and tell them don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and click the notifications to all. Then only you will get all our updates. So we'll be back with another yummy recipe. Till then, this is your host Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaste.